This is the holy grail that everyone wants. You want to emotionally regulate. You want to be able to have control over your triggers and not be at the effect of external things. How many of you have found yourself so triggered, you can't go certain places, you can't talk to certain people or be around certain people because you can't control your emotions around them? Show of hands. It's simply because you haven't yet learned how to emotionally regulate yourself. You really want to become trigger-proof. Trigger-proof does not mean trigger-less. I get triggered all the time. The old version of me would get triggered and completely dissociate and detach from myself, and I wouldn't be able to bring myself back into my center. I would have to avoid certain people, especially my parents, because I would get triggered and I would not be able to stay in my body. I would go into story and then there would be, it would create chaos. In fact, when you are not trigger-proof, you live inauthentically. You lie. Your fear of telling the truth and not being accepted is paralyzing. So in order to get your approval, I need to pretend, wear a mask, and be inauthentic so that I don't lose your approval. Because if I lose your approval, then I can't love myself. Show of hands if you can relate to what I just said. And when you're not trigger-proof, when you don't have it right, you can't be yourself, you feel disconnected from yourself, and you can't have healthy relationships because reactivity blocks intimacy.